My name is Tyler Ferdinand and I'm a Climate Innovation Strategist with BFA Global. I was interested in organizing this workshop because we realized there was a huge opportunity for new climate innovations in the land-based economy in Africa. And there's a lot of young entrepreneurs that are interested in starting new companies that are in this space but need the support to actually launch those companies. We brought a lot of different collaborators in the room that are going to support them on that journey.
TECA managed to roll out its inaugural wave starting April last year on Earth Day. Through the inaugural wave, we supported 30 high potential individuals to develop ideas. We brought them together, coached them, mentored them, provided technical support, and also provided funding. Out of the 30, 14 went on to create 7 startups within the climate action space.
To make the next green wave successful, we need 3 things. 1, we need more collaboration, and we had several people in the room today that were willing to help out with that wave. We need more information in terms of the different types of innovation areas and opportunities, as well as data that would be required to launch those companies. And 3, we need the financial resources to support these companies in the coming year. In order to run the workshop, we had formed 5 different teams that were using different post-it notes to actually write down their different ideas and put them on the wall, or in this case the window, and discuss which were the best ideas for problems as well as solutions that we would incorporate into the eventual atlas of opportunities for the TECA Green Wave.
My expectation for this workshop is that we will get ideas on how to address the they have been quite existing climate challenges, because as Africa we are experiencing, and as part of the global community, we are experiencing a very adverse effect of climate change. From adverse droughts and then floods, as well as rising temperatures. And so I'm hoping that out of this workshop we can get ideas or innovations on how these challenges can actually be overcome.
We work with youths in universities in Kenya and colleges, where we are trying to build a community of youths that has the knowledge about climate change and the effects of climate change on food insecurity.
This event brought together people from people who are lenders, others who are in the private sector, some with experience in the public sector, and then those that are actively working with farmers and young people. And so that sort of already creates a very elaborate and diverse or dynamic group of people that are addressing the same solution but tackling it from different areas.